This video will cover how to work with incident data. As a GISS, you should be prepared to receive incident data from a wide variety of sources and be able to process or convert that data for input into the National Incident Feature Service. In this video, I'll cover how to work with data received via field maps, KML, and GPX. I'm in my edit project for the Darby fire, and I've synced the offline copy. In addition to the auto-generated Irwin triangle in the event polygon layer, I see that two segments of fire edge, field collection, have come in from field maps. When working with event data collected in field maps, it's important to review the following attributes. Comments. Field users put all sorts of useful information in the comments field: date times, potential labels for features which only the GISS has access to update, explanations of the data collected, etc. Delete this feature. The NIFS mobile edit service that is used in field maps does not allow data to be deleted. Instead, field users may use the delete this feature attribute to indicate to the GISS that a feature can be deleted. Once the delete this feature field is set to yes, the feature will be filtered out of the web map in field maps. Create name. This field is read-only, captured automatically through editor tracking, and displays who collected the feature according to the username logged into the application where the data was collected. You can cross-reference the username with the ICS 203 Organization Assignment List or the ICS 204 Division or Group Assignment List in the Incident Action Plan. Create date. This field is read-only, captured automatically through editor tracking, and displays when the data was created. When you view Create Date in ArcGIS Pro, it will be in Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC, but when you view it in Field Maps or ArcGIS Online, it will display in the device's local time. All of these attributes are defined on the Wildland Fire Interagency Geospatial Services WIF-FIGS Hub site on the NIFS Technical Information page. Scroll down to the attribute definitions, expand the section, and hover over the attribute to see the definition. In addition to the fire edge from field maps, I have a KML collected with Avenza from someone named Stratton that I've filed in the GPS folder of the GeoOps directory. While KMLs can be used directly in Pro, they do not have the same capabilities as a line feature layer, so it's best to convert them using the KML to Layer tool. From the Analysis tab on the ribbon, open Geoprocessing Tools. Search for KML to Layer and open the tool. For the input file, navigate to the KML in your GeoOps directory. For the target folder, choose the same folder that the KML is stored in. Keep the same output name if it already adheres to file naming standards, and run the tool. Finally, for the last section of perimeter, I have a GPX collected with a Garmin by someone named Thomas. While less common with the widespread use of field maps and Avenza, you may still receive a GPX and need to know how to process it. It's important to note that the .gpx file type does not appear in the catalog pane in Pro. To convert a GPX to a usable format, search for the GPX to Features tool and open it. For the input GPX file, navigate to the GPX in your GeoOps directory. For the output feature class, navigate to the same folder that the GPX is stored in and name the file the same. Click Save. Change the output type to tracks as polylines and run the tool.